Canon is proud to be the official 35mm camera.
Change the course of fine photography.
For perfect pictures every time.
I packed my Canon AE-1 with several lenses.
So advanced, it's simple.
If you're into film photography, chances are you've heard of the Canon AE-1.
I've been absolutely amazed by this camera.
The Starbucks gift card of film cameras.
The Canon AE-1 Program.
Canon AE-1.
The Canon AE-1 Program.
It's a 35mm SLR film camera straight from your grandparents' attic. Canon AE-1 is pretty synonymous with a few things.
As you can see, it's no secret that this is one of the most popular 35mm film cameras on the market. But is it worth the hype? In this video, I'll be mainly talking about the AE-1 Program, mostly because that's the only camera I have experience with. I haven't tried the normal version. The main difference between the two cameras is the AE-1 Program can shoot fully automatic, which makes it great for beginners who don't really know what they're doing yet. In order to shoot fully automatic on this camera, you just set your lens to A and the shutter dial to program. It uses FD mount lenses. The viewfinder has an electronic light meter so you can easily see what exposure your photo needs to be, and it takes a 4 LR44 battery. It's heavy enough for it to feel nice in your hands, but it's not too heavy where it would be annoying on a long hike. It's definitely compact enough for you to throw in your bag for some easy travel. There's also a shutter lock button on the camera, so in case you do throw it in your bag, you're not going to accidentally fire off a few shots and waste some frames. There's also a self-timer option, so you can take some really cool hipster selfies. On the front of the camera, there's an exposure preview button so you can see how your shot is going to turn out before you take it. It has a very wide range of ISO that you can set for whatever film you choose, which makes it great for those people who like to shoot portrait 3 stops overexposed. You know who I'm talking about. These cameras run for about $100 to $200 on eBay. However, definitely check out your local thrift stores or yard sales or your grandfather's attic because you might be able to find something for a lot cheaper. I definitely think it's worth the hype. Personally, now it's not a perfect camera, but for a beginner, it's definitely worth trying out. I'm definitely going to keep using this camera. I think it's a great staple to have in your camera collection. Not to mention, it just looks really pretty sitting on a shelf. You know what I mean? If you're in the market for a new camera, I definitely suggest checking this one out if you haven't already. Other than that, that's about all I have to say, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.